everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, it is day 13 of 30 days of creating, and today I have this very cute little, it's a 4x4 canvas board, and it came with a little easel, which is very cute. You can just prop it on up. I will not be using the easel while I'm painting, but it is a cute way to display it. Got this at Five Below. I've got some palette paper here that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's a tear off palette. I've not used palette paper before. Actually, this is a placemat from the Dollar Tree. This is what I've been using to put my paint on as like a palette. It comes off very easily. You can either wipe it off while it's still wet, or you can peel it off when it's dry. But I'm just gonna test this out. It was $1.25. I wanna see how it works. And let you guys know how it is. Maybe you would want to grab some for yourself. What I am going to be doing today is painting a little sunset scene with a tree. Nothing too fancy. Don't have a whole lot of time, thus working small. And yeah, so let's get this party started. Okay, moving on to high speed here. I am starting with some burnt sienna, toning my canvas. I like to do this. That color does pop through, even if you don't see it. It does kind of show through in certain places, even just tiny little spots, and it kind of helps to help that painting glow. I've seen some artists use hot pink. Some artists use a different color to tone their canvas for every painting. I tend to like the burnt sienna, and so I'm just layering in these colors. Acrylics seem to need layers. A lot of times people will do one layer and say, this is not giving me the coverage that I want. But really, it is about using multiple layers and building up that color, building up the depth, adding in the shadows and highlights as you go along. And of course, I need to blend the sky here, and so I go over it a couple of times. The white that I'm using is not titanium white, it is mixing white. It makes a difference. I started painting this tree in using the brush, immediately regretted that. I could not get it to lay the way that I wanted to, so then I brought in my markers and I'm on the struggle bus with this tree. It just didn't come out the way that I wanted. It happens. If this were something of crucial, if this were a crucial thing, I would basically paint over it and start the tree over. But I'm just trying to create something today, and as I've said before, it's not about being perfect. It's about getting something creative created. All right. I'm going to walk away from the painting. I have never painted on a canvas panel before, and it's different than painting on a regular canvas. I need to work on my trees. It has been a long time since I did trees. I think I just need to do like just a bunch of studies of different trees. But yeah, so there it is. Just a little something to create every day. That is the goal here. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. I hope you feel inspired to create something yourself, and that you join me on this journey of creating something every day. But yeah, so that is it for me. Please do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. You'll also find the link to my Facebook group. Go make some art. Join us there. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Get some inspiration. You'll find the link to my website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can find my art and music and fluid art inspiration cards for sale. You'll also find my affiliate links and coupon codes there in the description box. Receive a commission. I receive a small commission and no additional cost to you, while you can get yourself a discount with those codes. And let's see, is there anything else? I think that's it. So come back tomorrow for day 14 of 30 Days of Creativity. And I hope that you feel inspired to go make something yourself. All right, that's it for me for today. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.